When we start a Spring Boot application, it obviously run within the JVM, right? Within the JVM, a Tomcat startup and Impact Tomcat instance, and within the Tomcat, Spring Boot execute as an application. So it will start as an application within the Tomcat. When a request comes from either from the browser or a client like Postman, it was intercepted by the front-end controller called dispatcher server, which route the request to the appropriate REST controller or a Spring MVC controller, we can say. This controller will interact with the service layer, which contain the business logic, right? If there is a need to interact with the database, the service layer is responsible for interacting with the repositories, which contain the database operations. The implementation is provided by the Spring Data JPA, which is mainly responsible for generating the SQLs. We can write and execute the SQL using the Entity Manager. After this operation, the request goes back through the repository to the service layer, and from the service layer to the controller. Right. The Spring MVC controller